What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter from Panda here. When you travel in style, your computer should travel in style. And that's why I picked up this. It's by Mujjo, and I'll tell you what, when I picked up the other stuff from Mujjo, the other laptop sleeve, I was so impressed with it, I had to pick up this, and it kind of makes me want to upgrade to a new laptop. It's so nice. First of all, this little bag here, this like canvas bag, as you can see, it's kind of in this almost purplish brown, is really nice. But this is just the sleeve that the sleeve comes in. So you can kind of tell how nice it is when they come with their own bag. Like when you get a Birkin bag or a Louis Vuitton, they're in their own bag. So anyway, I saw this and I was like, that's pretty impressive. But it says Mujjo right there, and this is what comes in it. And this is a laptop sleeve designed for the 13.3-inch MacBook Pro, so the 13-inch laptop. And like I said, although I don't have a MacBook Pro, I really wanted to check it out for my 12-inch MacBook, which basically this fits in everything that is designed for MacBook Pros because it's a little smaller. But I tell you what, and I'm really torn on it, but mostly because of the price, I have been thinking about going to the MacBook Pro. It would make it so much easier to have a slightly larger screen and then be able to edit videos and things like that with a little bit more robust hardware. So first of all, I just want to show you this because, like I said, my first sneak peek at it is that this is as high quality as any that I've seen, and it's just kind of a head and shoulders above other sleeves. It's going to be a little hard to demonstrate that on the video here, but you know, I get a lot of sleeves and some of them don't have zippers and whatever, and they all work well, but this is just something that is kind of at like an executive level, and it just doesn't scream overly, you know, ornate or ostentatious or anything. It's just really a nice classic kind of professional look. So first of all, as you can see here, it's big enough for a laptop. It has a little bit of this like V dip on the top here, and that's actually reflected down here as the leather is cut in with a little V here too, so it kind of shrinks that middle portion. So obviously the laptop is not going to go right up to this edge here, but it just has a nice symmetric look to it, and it says Mujjo you know, embossed or stamped into the leather on this side. All black and gunmetal hardware. What you can see here is it's a YKK zipper, all metal hardware along here, and then you have two zipper pulls with leather pulls on them as well. And you can see all metal, gunmetal hardware there. Just looks really nice, and you can see the zipper goes all the way down the side, basically 90% of the way down. So you just get like about an inch down here where the zipper won't go down. So it's not going to splay open completely like a pad Folio, but you're going to have really easy access to it, and I'll show you that. On the back side here, what we have is a wool felt, and it might be a little hard to kind of explain what this feels like, but it's really a tight knit, so it feels like a really, I don't know, it feels really stiff, and it feels great, and it just has a wonderful contrast. I mean, the wonderful smell of this leather, and then the kind of the soft, warm luxury feel of the felt here. It's one of those things where it's kind of nice for some subtle reasons. One, you get two different contrasting material looks, but then you'll also know what's the front in case you're kind of going in here quick access to get business cards or something like that. And if I open this up, because this opens up so far down, you do get a really huge kind of opening to get in here. And as you might be able to see, we have that beautiful felt, that really tight, thick felt throughout, which means that you're going to get a really nice protection on your laptop, and because of how thick it is, but also you're not going to have to worry about it scratching up your laptop. Now I have a case on mine, but if it were naked, you know how kind of soft that aluminum body can be, and this is going to provide you that protection on all fronts here. On this side, it's just a big flat panel here, but on this side you can see we have some pockets here, no zippers or anything like that, no metal hardware that's going to scratch anything, but you have a kind of a long wide zipper down here, or pocket, not zipper, pocket. Then you have a bigger pocket, it goes down just into the pocket just a little bit there, so you can put in passports, notepads, that type of thing right in here. And then you also have like business card, credit card holder right here. You've got a strap right there, you've got a front one right here, you can put in business cards. Then you have a little tiny slot right here, and I'm not sure what that would be for, maybe like a flash drive or something of that nature, and then stamped with Mujjo on this leather patch right in there as well. And then if I show you here, take my laptop, just because it's really easy to get to all this stuff, as well as put your laptop in here, right? Just do that, zip it all the way up. Man, it doesn't get any easier than that. And this thing looks the business. Like I said, I mean, it just smells great, and this feels like rich and protective and just really stylish. It's kind of nice with this notch in here. I can grab it like this, get a little more purchase on the laptop as opposed to maybe having my fingers a little further out and carry it around, like I said, under my arm, in a briefcase, in a backpack, whatnot. So really, really nice. Just this thing screams premium. Again, I know they all kind of look a little the same on camera, but I tell you what, there's something about this that just feels great. Anyway, I will put a link to it in the description if you want to pick one of these up for your 13-inch MacBook or 13-inch laptop. Check it out. Peter von Panda. Out.